My name is VAIBHAV and I did my graduation in Bachelor of Computer Applications at Mumbai, and I done a course in Besant technology as a software testing. In software testing there are several stages like SQL, manual testing and automation testing. And SQL language is taught by Mr. Nagaraj sir. He is good. He will teach the how to write a queries and how to execute them, and he also learned teach about real-time experience, real-time projects, and after that manual and automation taught by Mr. Prasanth sir, and he is good at real-time examples to giving how the real-time works, like OOPS concepts, and how many types are in there, testing agile methodology or SDLC. He teaches good. Thank you. After my graduation, I modified my resume and I started attending interviews, and I have attended almost 3 interviews, and I got selected in one company called India Document Solutions as a quality assurance trainee. Thank you.